We're going to cut all of this down without me talking. I'm not ready. You can do outtakes. I'm not ready for this. Okay. I just need like a moment to really, I need someone to like go live.
3, 2, 1, live.
I just thought I'd pop on and do a quick video and talk about a couple of my favourite pens. I've talked a lot about Pentel pens in my workshops and on the live that I did the other day, and they are one of my favourites and best for beginners. And I'll just want to show you in comparison to my other favourite pens, the Fudenosuke pen by Tombow. And why I'm going to show you is I'm doing a family tree at the moment, and why this pen is a lot better than my favourite pen for doing tiny little writing. So this is an example of the Pentel, which comes in heaps of beautiful colours now. So that's the Pentel. And then the Fudenosuke in black is quite similar and has a soft brush nib on it. So we'll go black, and you'll see it's pretty similar thickness and style. I think I haven't looked at the price of them in a while, but they're about the same price, I would say, or maybe probably a bit more expensive than the Pentel. And then to the blue, which is a much harder tip, and so you get finer strokes. So you can see a lot thinner upstrokes on this one compared to the other two. And so when I'm trying to do this family tree, it is tiny, so I need to write quite small, but I still want to do a copper plate style, and you can see I can do that a lot easier with this stiffer brush versus one of these. If I try to write that small, it ends up kind of running into itself. Like that, and not as easy to read. I could probably just go and try to do all thin strokes, but it still doesn't have quite the same refined look, I guess, as with the Fudenosuke blue. And you can get those in lots of places online, not Officeworks, but Google it and you'll find it easily, or send me a message. Thanks. You shouldn't tell me that. You gotta tell me when you're gonna record.
I have the red light disabled too. Recording.
Well, do you want me to start or not?
Sure. Are you gonna talk?
Well, yeah, I'm ready.
Okay.